Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix Microsoft Photos not opening. If Microsoft Photos is not opening, try these steps to fix it. Repair or reset Microsoft Photos. Press Win plus I to open these settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps, or Apps and Features. Find Microsoft Photos. Click Advanced Options, then choose Repair. If it still doesn't work, just click Reset. Reinstall Microsoft Photos. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the codes linked in the description below. Then restart your PC and reinstall Microsoft Photos from the Microsoft Store. Update Microsoft Store. Click Library on the bottom left and check for updates. If an update is available for Microsoft Photos, go ahead and install it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.